I can't think of the name now of the company that's doing the demo on this former New Haven project or projects. This village here, um, outside the uh, New Haven Union Station. But I'll tell you, I mean, they have done a really good job here of deterring guys like myself from being in here. I mean, they have done their utmost to make it as difficult as can be to kind of spend some time here. And uh, you know, uh, it's not just been, covered doors and boarded up windows, and the barred windows came, before the village left here. But the guys have really done a great job of putting as many obstacles in the way of anybody who, I mean, we're not even talking about camping here. We're talking about like just, night to night kind of thing, which is what I've been doing. But these guys here really, I mean, it's, a tip of the old cap to these boys, because they have really done a good job of making it very difficult to squat here overnight, which is what I have done, and I've been doing since I've been in New Haven. Um, so, I guess kudos to them. Um, you know, um, Obstacles big and small, if not for the mud and stuff of yards and roads that they literally dug up so to make it mud. It's like used to be a street down here and stuff, and they literally dug it up so it became mud, and with rain, it just makes it like a slog to get here. They also took out the plumbing. I'm sure that went first. Something tells me the plumbing here went first, and these guys know their business, and so I'm sure all kinds of any kind of plumbing went out the window, if you will, at first. The first time they got in here, because that's always somehow the the thing the boys look for when they get into an abandoned building is, where's the bathroom. It's usually not, where's the kitchen. So yeah, these guys have done quite well here. And they pulled the wiring, they pulled the plumbing, and they've left it. This is testament to how good these guys are. They left it just dusty enough and musty enough in here, So if you do spend a night inside, because it's raining outside, you're going to end up with a good headache. So, if not for the clutter, um, you know, that dust that I think is intentionally put on the floor here, not like scattered on the floor, but just these guys know what they're doing. They know how to create kind of dust up and stuff. And they can make your head as full of dust by the time you wake up in the morning than a woman at the library with, a gallon of Chanel number 5 on, or some, prisoner you meet on a sheriff's bus headed to the courthouse, with enough aftershave on to, yeah, you know, wake his bunkmate up when he gets back from courthouse, to the prison where he's living in. So it's pretty amazing here, in Hartford. It's a tip of the cap to the guys here that are doing the demo, and yeah, they're bringing it down, and they're keeping they're doing as much as they can for the community, here in New Haven, despite what the tenants of this community and this village, did to themselves.